So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito kabola, pag-uusapin natin ito naganap po na draft kabola, and then of course, ibibigay po natin yung atin pong draft grade dito nga po sa naunang 12 pick o dito po sa first round kabola nang naganap po na PBA draft. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. But before we go there kabola sa mga grades po natin, gusto ko rin sana pag-usapan muna natin kabola ito pong bagong rule dito nga po sa PBA. Ano ba itong bagong rule po dito po sa PBA kabola? Hindi na daw po pwedeng matrade itong number 1 pick for 2 full seasons kabola. Yes, so si Jayu Chu, the number 1 pick kabola of Terra Firma in this draft, is hindi na po pwedeng matrade for the next 2 full seasons. Is this a good rule? If we consider everything in the current situation kabola in the PBA, my answer to that question is yes, this is a good rule kabola. Diba? Kasi alam naman natin na the farm teams are still there kabola. The farm teams will still try to work their way kabola to that number 1 pick. Now we have this rule na, to be honest, nakakagulat, diba? Na mag-implement sila ng ganitong rule kabola. Diba? Nakakagulat yan. Diba kabola? Kasi 2 years yan. Matagal yan kabola. Diba? Sina Stephen Holt, sina BGR kabola, kinailangan silang kunin agad ng mga conglomerate teams kasi nga po kabola, mabilisan ang galawan ng tao dito po sa PBA. So itong 2 years na to kabola, matagal to. Diba? Apektado ang negosyo ng mga farm teams. Now, dito ako nagtataka kabola kung bakit hindi po natuloy-tuloy ito pong sale ng Terra Firma franchise. Yun pa rin yung big question mark sa atin kabola. Now ito na po ating grades kabola. Explain na natin to. A is the highest grade, F po is the lowest, D is basically yung average grade kabola. Ano grade them kabola? Na wherein binabalansin natin kung gaano po kagaling o kaganda yung naging pick at kung gaano rin po naging kadali yung pick kabola. Hindi ba? So number 1 natin is Jayu Chu of Terra Firma kabola. Our grade there will be C. So basically above average po para sa atin ito naging choice po ng Terra Firma. They have a lot of other choices. Like people are pushing for 1 to be the most deserving number 1 pick. Pero in my eyes naman kabola, at the end of the day, size is what truly matters in the PBA kabola. And a team choosing the giant with the most potential kabola is always a good thing to do. Especially kabola na yung pinupush po nila na top talent kabola is also a guard. And we know demand and supply dictates that ang dami pong supply ng guard. Number 2 is Converge. 1 Gomez Diliano. I'll put it at a C. Kabola. Diba? At this point, kabola, they did went for the, yun nga, yung arguably the top talent, kabola, and getting the top talent number 2 is of course a good thing, kabola. And of course, there are other options here. Panopio, Brickman, kabola, pero they did stayed, kabola, with their guy 1. Number 3 natin, Panopio of Blackwater kabola. So Panopio, I graded it B. They basically stole Dolph kabola from the SMC franchise, diba? Kasi Coach Tim Cone early kabola, nagsabi na siya na trip niya si Panopio, pero yun, kinuha po siya ng Blackwater kabola. Is Blackwater or is Panopio deserving of the number 3 pick kabola? Yes. Remember, he was hyped together with Kai Soto in the past. This guy is legit kabola, and the potential po to be a top 5 guard in the league is there. Number 4 natin, Northport, Chris Kuhn kabola. So my grade here is again above average at C. Although I still believe that yung mga mas taller pa po na players should have been considered here. Pero overall, Kuhn kabola, ang ano lang naman tong logic nito, simple lang eh. If Will Navarro of kabola in the past, also a role player in the Ateneo, can blossom in the PBA, Kuhn then can also blossom in the PBA kabola. Ganun lang yan. Ateneo is a very loaded team, in a very loaded team kabola, and still one of the crews there, so deserves C. Next, LJ Gonzalez, I put it at a D kabola. I think Gonzalez is a reliable guard and will be a reliable guard in the PBA kabola. And I do believe that yung kanya pong production talagang pinapakita din naman na deserving siya of a high pick. Pero I think there are better options sana here, pero again, I think the choice is still acceptable, so D or average. Number 6 natin, Magnolia, Yukian Andrada. The grade for me is A. Yan. Our first A of the draft kabola. I am a believer of Andrada, a 6'5 sniper kabola. As in sniper, if you look at the numbers talaga, he shot very well in NCAA, Kabola. So again, the combination of those two, Kabola, will work well for Magnolia, especially kung umayos din ang depensa nitong si Andrada. Number 7 natin, Meralco Bolts. They chose the old guard, Jason Brickman, and I will give them a B. Because their role or their current status is they are a perennial contender. And choosing potentially the top point guard in this draft at the very start na Jason Brickman is never a wrong choice. Di ba, Kamola? So, I give them a B. Number 8 natin, Will Gozum. So, Phoenix was gifted Will Gozum. My grade is D. Bakit po? So at this point, I think he's the obvious pick, di ba? He's the obvious pick at this point for me, Will Gozum. Parang yung mga sumunod na kasi hindi na, in terms of name status, hindi naka-level. And Gozum for me, also have a very high potential. 6'6", 6'7" po ito, Kabola, that moves well and has a good level of skills. Number 9 natin, San Miguel, Chris Miller. And the grade for me is A. I am a believer of Miller in a way, Kabola, and I'm still dumbfounded why they are treating Miller not on the same level as Holt, Kabola. When you look at the production of Holt, of course, Miller is older by 2 years old. But still, di ba? He is a 6'4", he shoots very well in a lot of leagues, international leagues, Kabola. Number 9 natin, Reno Shine, Christian Manaytay, I gave it a B, Kabola. Manaytay, 6'5", Kabola, well-rounded player, 6'5" na well-rounded player. Nakita na natin kung gaano po sila ka-crucial po sa PBA. So, for me, forward who could be an Arvin Tolentino, Will Navarro type, these are crucial players. So, B. Ginebra, San Estel, it's an easy E. Kabola. I do not care. Ito na naman si Coach Tim Con, even fans of Ginebra, pagod na rin ata sa ganitong style ng Coach Tim Con. Pero, but sorry, di ba? If still is your target, then draft, trade down. Kabola, kasi they can easily get steal in the second half of the second round, di ba, Kabola? Di ba? Just trade down. Di ba? Trade down. Now, bakit hindi siya F? Kasi, at this point, wala na din namang clear na first round. For me, wala na pong clear na first round talent. Reno Shine, number 12, Art Roque, for me, it's an F, Kabola. Art Roque is a good prospect, pero I did not even consider him to be a first 2-round talent in this draft. Pero I think he can blossom, especially with Coach Yang there, no? As his coach. Pero for me, there are better options here. Dave Ando, Kabola, of course, nandyan din si Sean O'Malley. I still believe O'Malley can be a guy in the PBA, Kabola. Kobe Monje, I am also a believer of that guy. Pero most of the time, it's because nakakagulat sa akin kung bakit po or anong nangyari. At ito pong si Kolmisek was not draft round. That guy is also the real deal. Kabola. So overall, Kabola, so anong favorite mo na pick? Comment na po sa baba.